Hey there, nature lovers! Welcome to Feed the Birds, a creative adventure into crafting unique bird feeders from simple materials. In this episode, we're building our second feeder using craft sticks, so grab your supplies and let's create a cool snack spot for our feathered friends. Start by building the base to your birdhouse using glue and craft sticks. Once completed, you want to make a second one for the roof. Next, you want to create your sides and glue the bottom pieces down, leaving just a little gap to glue the side to your base once it's dry. You're going to want to repeat this step so that you have two side walls that look just like this one right here. And we'll begin making our other side walls, which will just be a solid strip going the whole way across. And now it's time to glue our side walls onto our base. And I'm just going to use a tissue box to help hold it in place while it dries. And then we'll just continue gluing each side and letting it dry. Next, you want to take some twine and tie it onto your roof. This will give you a way to hang your bird feeder. Now you just want to glue your roof on and let it thoroughly dry. And then we're ready to just glue on some finishing touches. Here we are gluing down the last of our finishing touches. Thanks for joining us on this crafty adventure. Be sure to join us for our next episode where we'll create even more amazing feeders. Until then, keep crafting, subscribe, and like for more videos.